Introducing the CL600 from DeepCool, a mid-tower case with a refined look that combines versatile hardware support, advanced airflow, and a few clever design touches. Let's get into it. On the side, the case not only features a panoramic tempered glass panel, but also a lower compartment panel that provides easy access to the power supply and drive bay. It also comes with a sliding dust filter, so you can quickly choose between filtered airflow or maximum airflow. At the bottom, you'll first find a removable dust filter for the power supply intake. Further back, a second removable dust filter covers the bottom fan's intake, helping keep your PC dust-free for longer. The removable fan tray comes equipped with two pre-installed 120mm reverse intake fans, positioned beneath the graphics card area, with support for GPUs up to 400mm in length. As for motherboards, the CL600 is compatible with mini ITX, micro ATX, and full-size ATX motherboards. Up top, a micro-perforated panel allows air to pass through freely while helping reduce dust intake. A removable and adjustable 24-pin cable cover keeps the main motherboard power cable neatly hidden, while also integrating a built-in graphics card support bracket. Finally, the removable front panel provides easy access to the integrated dust filter for hassle-free maintenance. For the motherboard, we'll be using the B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 from Gigabyte, an ATX motherboard featuring PCIe 5.0 and support for up to 3 M.2 SSDs. For storage, we'll be starting with a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD from Kingston. We're pairing the motherboard with two Predator Vesta DDR5 memory modules from Acer. And at the heart of the build is the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor. Keeping the processor cool is the DeepCool LT360 VISION, a 360mm all-in-one liquid cooler featuring a 4.5-inch LCD screen. The display can be rotated to your preferred viewing angle and customized to show real-time system information. Completing the airflow setup are three DeepCool FL14 140mm fans, configured with two front intakes and one rear exhaust. To access the PSU bracket, we first need to remove the screws securing it inside the separate PSU compartment at the bottom of the case. Next, take off the removable rear cover, giving us access to the PSU compartment. For power, we'll be using the DeepCool PQ1000G, a fully modular 1000-watt 80+ gold power supply. Handling graphics is the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card featuring 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory built on the RDNA 4 architecture and capable of high refresh rate 1440p gaming, as well as smooth 4K gaming. The CL600 combines excellent airflow with a clean, understated design and a range of practical features, making it a solid choice for a modern high-performance mist tower build. If you're looking for something more portable, be sure to check out our DeepCool CH160 Plus build video. If you enjoyed our content, remember to like and subscribe for more PC builds, quick unboxings, and monitor reviews. Until the next one.